Here is the example of simple interest in real-life situation.
Hoy, Jana, araw-araw nakikita nagdo-drawing yung food stall ah.
Eto? Gusto ko kasi talaga magtayo ng sarili kong food stall eh.
Uy, nice yan ah. Perfect spot talaga dyan. Ang daming dumadaan araw-araw.
Ang ganda naman yan. What's stopping you ba kasi?
Siyempre, pera. Kailangan ko ng 80,000 para makabili ng mga lamesa, upuan, at mga supplies.
Anak, kung gusto mo talaga yan, dapat gumawa ka ng paraan.
Oo nga. At kung kailangan mo naman tulong sa pag-ayos ng stall mo, game akong tumulong.
Jana dreams of starting her own small business in their garage. To make this happen, he borrowed 80,000 from a lending company to buy equipment, furniture, and initial supplies. The company gives simple interest rate of 7% per year, and he plans to pay it back after 2 years.
So Jana, gusto mong umutang ng 80,000 pesos. Ang interest rate namin ay 7% per year. Ilang taon mo balak bayaran?
2 years po.
Compute natin yan. IS equal PXR XT and IS equal 80,000 times 0.07 times 2 equal 11,200. So, yung total na bayarin mo ay 80,000 plus 11,200 equal 91,200.
Intindihan ko po. Gagawin ko po lahat para mabayaran yan.
We believe in small business owners like you, Jana. Good luck!
91,200 man ang utang ko. It's worth it naman. Hindi ko lang to basta stall. It's my future.
Remember we're always here for you ah. Heart emoji.
Let's go! Palagay mo na yan.
Oo ba? Ako nang unang bibili na bestseller mo. Promise yan.